Hello everyone, my name is Arwaz Rai from AQuBe Institute of Management, and today I want to share about the mismatch between the education and industrial needs. While educational institutions provide strong theoretical foundation, they often lack in practicality and hands-on skills. The job market seeks professionals who can immediately contribute to their work. Hence, to gap this bridge, strong collaboration between educational institutions and industries is essential. Integrating internships, apprenticeships, and project-based learning which can help the students to get their necessary experience.
Lack of professional skills training which every graduate faces after their education. Soft skills like communication, teamwork, problem solving, and adaptability, along with technical skills, are crucial in some specific industries. Many graduates find themselves underprepared while their work demand because of lack of learning these skills during their education.
And the responsibility for this change lies within several stakeholders. Educational institutions, for example, need to update the curricula and include more practical skill training and expose the students with the industry and the market needs. The government and the policymakers need to ensure that such changes are made and these students are exposed with the market demand. Now, students, on the other hand, need to also seek out more proactively these skills and opportunities to learn and develop themselves. And lastly, the industry can help to bring about this change by providing industrial trainings and internship to these students.
Limited career guidance. Students often lack awareness of the career paths available to them or the skills needed for those careers. Schools and colleges may not always provide adequate guidance or resources to explore different career options and to develop the necessary skills.
Resistance to change in education institutions. Traditional education institutions may resist interacting more practical trainings or industry interactions into their curricula. This could be due to a variety of factors including outdated curricula, lack of resources, or an unwillingness to change established practices.
The gap between education and employment is a systematic issue that requires a collaborative effort to address. Without bridging this gap, students may continue to face challenges in securing employment even with high academic achievement.